In this video you will see where I ended up landing of this paragliding flight. I can tell you now, it wasn't the beach. Anyway, let's start from the beginning. This is the 400 meter paragliding takeoff in Alanya, Turkey. We arrived here with our boat a few weeks ago, so it's about time we check out the paragliding scene. Right, so I just took up the bicycle and I cycled to the paragliding landing spot, which is also the one where they leave from to get you up the mountain. And that's it. Got a ride with someone and we're here. Makes a nice change from the boat jobs and everything. Nice change from the water. Back in the air for a bit. Take off. Takeoff was nice and easy, no problems there. And then begins the challenge of finding some bits of lift. Yes. There was something around this ridge, but nothing that's really gonna get me any higher. So I continue scratching the edge of the mountain to see if there was any more bits of rising air to get me up. There's the takeoff. That was cool. So I keep trying and trying to find lift and also enjoying the smells and the sounds of the forest just below me. Alanya. Awesome. With the castle. Super nice. Hello down there. The beach. Yep, glider looks happy still. Ah, nice amphitheater over there. Oh, amphitheater, nice. Beautiful. So wind slightly from the west, so we'll plan and land this direction, like this guy's doing, everyone else is doing already. And that's it. Slightly low, let's see. We won't make it, we have a nice patch there, but I think we will. Might go just through the trees, but, well, through, in between. If not, no problem either. Yeah, let's go for you. Nice. Almost on top of the bicycle. Happy. Super flight, amazing. A little bit of soaring. Maybe left it slightly too long because I landed 10 meters short. But that's okay. I guess I'll head back to the boat. See what we can do there. Work on some toilets, I think. If you're interested, this is a GPS recording of that flight. Stay tuned for much more about our sailing adventure and of course more and better paragliding flights too. See you soon!